Google Meet's microphone isn't functioning for certain users during a video conference for no apparent reason. Most of them reported that before the incident, everything was normal, and then suddenly other users couldn't hear them. There may be an issue with the microphone or with the firmware or the app. In this video, I'll show you how to fix Google Meet so that you may video chat with anybody without having to worry about whether or not they can hear you. Every possibility will be examined and eliminated one at a time. If you were able to use Hangouts before the problem arose, it's conceivable that the issue is minimal. Restarting your computer may be able to repair the problem. Once you've rebooted your phone, open Google Meet and make another attempt at a video conversation. If this doesn't fix the problem, then try the following suggestion. Your microphone must be tested on its own at this stage. Using your phone's built-in microphone, record your own voice. Play the recording once you've done that. Your voice will be heard if the microphone is operating properly, of course. Make sure the volume is at audible level. You may also make a video of yourself speaking to the camera to see whether the microphone is picking up on your words. If you have clear audio on your recordings, then the microphone does not have an issue. However, if you suspect that your phone's microphone is malfunctioning, you'll need a specialist to examine the device for you. When an app makes a first attempt to utilize a core function like the microphone, the user is usually given the option of allowing or rejecting the request. In other cases, you will not be asked, and the app will be blocked. If the microphone is operating well on its own or in other applications, then the next step is to verify the permissions of the app and enable it to use the microphone. The following is an example of how to go about it. Swipe up from the bottom of the screen to pull up the app drawer. Go to the screen where the Google Meet app is located. Tap and hold on its icon until options show. Tap App Info. Scroll down to find permissions and tap on it. The next screen will show you the services that the app is allowed to access. Make necessary changes and then try using Google Meet again. If the Google Meet microphone still doesn't function after trying the third approach, you'll need to delete the app from your device and reinstall it to make sure you're using the most recent version and to clear up any files related with it. Here's how to do it. Swipe up from the bottom of the screen to pull up the app drawer. Go to the screen where the Google Meet app is located. Tap and hold on its icon until options show. Tap Uninstall and confirm it. Once the app is successfully uninstalled, launch the Play Store, search for Meet and tap the Google Meet app. Tap Install and wait until the phone has finished installing the app. Once the installation is complete, open Google Meet and begin a new video conference. That's it. If you think that this video is helpful, we would appreciate it if you can leave a like, subscribe to our channel, or share this video to your friends. This can greatly help in making sure that Google's algorithm can find and recommend this video to others.